Hey guys, welcome back. So a couple of videos ago, probably about a month ago, I posted that my tire right there split, so it leaked air, so I have to replace that. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to take off a tire, which I'm sure a lot of you already know how to, but in case you don't, here it is. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, really appreciate it. It really helps the algorithm and everything. So let's jump right into it. Which is 19 millimeter. I'm pretty sure most of them are 19 millimeters. I don't know a whole lot about vehicles, just pretty much the basics. So I'll be learning along with you guys. So let's get. Gonna need something for leverage too, because sometimes these nuts are kind of hard. And you don't want to take it off all the way, you just want to loosen them. That one was a little rough. Okay, let's jack it up and take tire off. Luckily, I don't have to jack it up too high because it's flat. I don't know if you can tell, but my leaf springs are shot. So it's a little lower than it looks. This is probably how it's supposed to look, the height. I think that should be good. Gotta go tiny tire. course, this one would be broken. I'll grab another one. Keep that there for good measures. Okay. Very tedious, right? Try not to lose them either. So to remember. Don't do what I do and just throw them on the ground. Try to put them in like a bowl or something. So many things planned for this Jeep. So many big plans. New leaf springs, lift kit, new tires. Gonna fix all the rust. So be sure to tune in for all that. That's gonna be fun videos considering I don't know how to do any of it. So we all can learn together. And no, I don't have a extender for this size ratchet. So, sorry for all the banging. There we go. Now, chances are this isn't gonna come off. Oh, and it did. Last time I took these tires off, I had to beat it with a rubber mallet just to get them off because they were so rusted to everything. Look at all the cobwebs. Can you tell I haven't driven it in a while? Need new calipers, new brakes, everything's just like not good. A lot of work. Yeah, that's how you take a tire off. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I appreciate all of you. I'll see y'all next time. Alright, so I did the tire, took it off. Valve stem, definitely garbage. So I gotta replace that. We'll do that soon. But I just want to take a quick second to show you guys the interior of my Jeep. The outside looks rough, but the inside is still good. Like almost near mint. The only thing that's wrong is the top. I had to staple the top because it kept flapping around. So, but other than that, I would show you the back, but actually I'll show you the back anyway. It's pretty much storage for all my tools. I got cans that I was supposed to return a long time ago, but they're just sitting in here. Oops. But yeah, the interior, very nice. So at least I don't have to worry about that. Just got to worry about the outside and all of the major things wrong with it, like leaf springs and shocks and all the rust. There is so much rust, so much rust. Oh, you like my little ducks? I feel like every Jeep has a duck, and it's funny because like I didn't even get these ducks from a Jeep person. It was crazy, but I like it. I have another Jeep duck. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. If you see my BMW, see it flipping you off? It's the FU duck. I like that. All right, well, I'm done talking. I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hope to see you next week.